Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be giving you some strategies on how you can practice singing quietly so that you can be considerate of your housemates and your neighbours during your practice sessions. But first, let's talk about it. So as a singer, living in shared accommodation can often be quite challenging, especially when it comes to practicing your singing freely or even just walking around singing in your house. You may find that your housemates are starting to get a little bit annoyed. You may even find that your neighbors are banging on the walls, really just trying to shut you up whilst you're practicing. But I just want to give you some ideas that you can consider that can maybe help you out in this situation. A lot of the vocal exercises that we do as singers can sound absolutely ridiculous to those around us, especially if they're not singers themselves, and it is quite understandable that they would get a little bit annoyed, your neighbors or your housemates, especially if they've had a long day at work and they're trying to chill, read a book or watch TV, and then all of a sudden they have all of these crazy sounds, coming at them. But there are exercises that you can do that are not too loud and that will not disturb your neighbors or housemates too much. And one that comes to mind is the straw or the vocal tube in water. You can do these exercises on scales, and you can also do them over your favorite song melodies. So now what happens when it comes to those crazy exercises, those really loud exercises? Now this is where it becomes a little bit more tricky and a little bit more challenging. But you definitely have options. One of the options is to go and hire a rehearsal space. Sometimes you can get rehearsal spaces for £9 an hour. You can go into the space for 1 hour and be intentional with your practicing time. Now that is definitely an option for you to consider. You can go to your local park and find a spot where there's not that many people around and practice singing as well. That is also an option. Or you can schedule practice time for when your housemates are out of the house so that you can really be free and really express yourself during your practice sessions. But if those aren't an option for you, then there is always this. The blanket will muffle the sound, which will allow you to practice more quietly whilst your housemates are around, which is not going to cause too much disturbance. Too much. Now, obviously, practicing with a blanket is not the most ideal, but it is an option for you to consider. I'm just throwing out different ideas for you to really try out so that you can be successful in your practice sessions and just keep growing and developing as a singer. So here are some examples of how you can practice with the blanket. Mum, 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 mum. Wow, 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 wow. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea on how you can practice with the blanket. Now the blanket is really going to muffle your sound, so it's really important that you become aware of sensations. How do the exercises feel? Are they feeling open? Are they feeling free? Where are you feeling the resonance? Just being aware is really going to help you when it comes to practicing singing with the blanket. Okay, so that is it from me. Let me know how you get on with a blanket. Obviously, it's not the most ideal, but it is an option. This video was inspired by one of our subscribers, Miss. Thank you so much, Miss. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful and you're watching for the first time, then please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and also share these videos with anyone you think is going to find them beneficial. Also, I'm offering a service of one-to-one vocal coaching, which is online. If you're interested, then shoot me an email at info@voicesavvy.com. I'm currently taking on just a few clients at the moment, so if you want sessions, be quick and let me know. Also, if you'd like me to cover any topics on this channel, then let me know, comment below or shoot me a quick email. This channel is all about you. I am here to serve you, to give you the tools and the techniques to help you on your singing journey. So hit me up, let me know what you want to hear about, and I'll get on it. But until next time, mwah, peace out.